Tinkering Girls. I, Tanisha Vyas.
I, Devika Sahu.
I, Anshika Sahu.
I, Sohani Bharha. And I, Bhumika Davu.
We have taken this project under the title Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-relevant innovation.
Before diving into the abstract, let us understand the background of this study. In today's digital world, learning needs a modern touch, so we have discovered an AI-powered digital desk which combines education and technology to create a more smart workspace. It is not just a desk, it is a personal assistant for every learner. So, before we start, let's understand the hurdles that are faced by students. So, we have captured some hurdles that students face. The unboard texts are not easily visible to students, those who are sit at the back and use classes. The teacher speaks too fast, so students are not able to make notes properly. The students lag in digital skills. Some of the students face problems and lag in skillful activities. The one more hurdle is that the students are not able to see smartboard properly, and there are some technical issues inside it.
In order to overcome with these issues, we came up with an idea of a digital desk. Here are some problems listed which our digital desk can solve, like note-making difficulties, board visibilities issues, missed deadlines, digital restrictions, poor desk lighting, and etc.
Now, who are the stakeholders? The stakeholders are students, teachers, office workers, home learners, and parents. Students face problem while taking the notes, seeing the board, managing time, and or staying focused. Teachers face problems while ensuring all students understand and get proper notes. Office workers face problems while managing files, meetings, and digital tasks efficiently.
In order to address this problem, we have designed a digital desk. And a digital desk can solve this problem by providing a smart features like inbuilt of digital screen or audio text converter, task reminder, focus mode, and touch screen. It helps students to take notes easily, stay organized, and learn efficiently with AI. Here we are having a reference of a digital text with a digital display and audio detector and with many features with it.
An AI-powered digital desk is a smart solution for modern world. Smart audio to text conversion. The digital AI desk can record the voice of the teacher and convert it into a proper notes instantly, helping students who miss the key points during lectures. Built-in digital display. A touch-enabled this digital screen allows students to read, write, and interact with study materials. Automatic file and note organization. All notes, assignments, and documents are saved and organized digitally, making it easy to find and access anytime. Focus and study mode. A desk can activate a focus mode that limits distractions by blocking unnecessary notifications or apps during study time. Touch and gesture control. Users can easily operate desk using the simple touch gestures or hand motion, making learning faster and more interactive.
Now we will see some advantages of AI-powered digital desks for students. Here, first of all, we will see that helps in a quick and easy note-taking, improve understanding through visuals, increase focus and reduces distraction. It keeps all study material organized, reminds about tasks and deadlines. It makes learning interactive and engaging. It supports easy sharing with classmates. It adjusts lighting for comfortable studying.
Drawing from the analysis above, it can be concluded that the AI-powered digital desk is not only just a piece of furniture, but by combining intelligence, innovation, and interactivity, it transforms ordinary study space into a dynamic learning zone.
This digital desk empowers the student to stay focused, organized, and motivated while making learning faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. It truly represents the future of India, where technology and creativity work hand in hand to make brighter minds.
Currently, we are only working at the ideas of digital desk and demonstration. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope you like our ideas and presentation.